Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name's Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits. And today we have a vacancy in the area of Stone in Staffordshire. Now they're looking for a trainee machine operative. So if you have an interest in arts or you may have done some screen printing before, please listen in onto this video. But also essentially if you had experience in machining and you're looking for a change of career, then maybe this video is right for you. So the vacancy is working 9 till 5:30 Monday to Friday, and it's based on an industrial estate in Stone in Staffordshire, and they're looking for somebody who is keen on building a career in the engraving industry. This company engraves trophies and shields for around the world. It's a very big company, and this particular role is essential to the business. Now they're looking for somebody who wants to learn and grow, so you haven't necessarily got to have experience in engraving, but as long as you've got a general passion to learn, then perhaps this vacancy is for you. It's a temporary to permanent role, so after 12 weeks this will become a permanent position. Now if you're interested, please call 01746 768 666 or email me, Matt, on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Now if you want to learn more about some other vacancies that we have in the area, please like to the channel and please subscribe, because any vacancies in the local area we will be pushing out onto Jobs TV. Thanks for watching.